Hi guys, I've got a box arrived from the guys at Not Your Average Bikes Limited, and I ordered a dual sport touring screen for the ZERO DSR. So let's have a quick look what is in the box. So that's the box. It arrived very quickly. I must say I was very impressed with these guys' service, and that's their details. Not Your Average Bikes Limited, and yeah, they organized the dual sport screen for me. So let's see what's in the box. Bubble wrap, and then oh, what do we have here? We've got the commuting screen as well. We've got the signal kit. I think what they did is they ordered some stuff and they delivered the whole order to my house. That's not good. So that's a signal kit. And then what do we have here? We have the commuter screen. Very nice, to be honest. And then it's fittings. And then here's my screen that I'm looking for. So this is the dual sport screen, and yeah, so that's how it's going to look like on the bike. Very nice. And that also comes with its fittings to mount it to the bike. This is very interesting. I'll have to check with them tomorrow. The screen mounting kit. So yeah, I need to check with them so I can send the stuff back to them. So just a quick, while I have it here, difference between the commuting screen and the dual sport screen. Commuting screen is much wider compared to the dual sport screen. I just need something to get the wind off my chest. So that's going to be mine, and that's going to be the commuter screen. It's a little bit wider. Yeah, if anyone wants looking for some LED signal kit smoked, this is for the SR, F and S. That's the part number. And then it says two are the same, also smoked, I think. Yeah, exactly the same kit. So it's a set of 4. So that's the smoke ones, and mine is not smoked. Okay, so happy days. So I will try and fit this screen during the week, and then I will continue with this little update to see how it looks like on the 2020 DSR. So after having a chat to the guys at what was it, English Motorcycle Company, they sent me a few photos to confirm which bracket is the right one for the dual sport screen. So you get 2 brackets. You get the one bracket that's got a bend in, and then the other bracket is a straight bracket. Now what the one guy was saying is if you install the straight one, then the screen is not tilt up enough. It's very low. If you install the brackets with a bend in, then you have more adjustment for the screen in the front. So just to let you know, so in the screen box you get the screen. This is the dual sport screen, and then with that you also get some piping that goes around the edges here. I didn't really like that, to be honest, and that's like a metal clip to keep the piping onto the screen. So that's sort of the screen. There's the mounting points that side, and then these mounting points will go on the inside, and then that will be on the outside. This is the bolts that you replace on the bike on the front ones. So these two replace the front bolts, and these little loops, the guy's saying, they need to be on the outside. I'll show you when that's fitted. Then there's all the bits and bobs of it. So that's all the details for the mounting kit. That's the bent arms. And then if we go back to the screen, that's the screen's details. Dual sport screen, yeah? Okay, so let's start the fitment process. A second little note that I want to do. So you get 4 flat screws and 4 of these ones, the round ones. The round ones are for controlling the ball joint, so that goes in there. And then this little nut goes on the other side. So this is to tighten this this ball joint here. So it just fits in there, and the other side it screws into this little nut. These ones are for attaching the screen, those things, to the front of the screen, so they're nice and flush. So with the arms fitted, you can see from the rear it's pointing upwards. This can all be adjusted because this ball joint screws down there is still very loose, so this can be moved around, but that's how it looks like from the front. Yeah, I'm looking forward to how this is going to look like. So just a quick, there's the bike. This is how it looks like at the moment. It's nice and clean. So as far as I understand, you take these 2 out, they get removed, and the longer bolts come in here. So I'm gonna loosen them, take them out. So this is how it looks like when the screen is fitted. It's not all tight yet. I'm still making some fine adjustments. But there you can see how the angle is of this dual sport screen. So I don't have any Loctite on them, so I'll buy some Loctite, but I've just made some marks, so if the handlebar does move, then I can just line them up again, because it's the same as these bolts. They've all been marked up to be tightened. But yeah, that's it. I'll try these and then see how it feels, and then if I need it to go lower, then I'll probably just get the fitment set for the straight ones. So that's the final update. That's how the screen looks like with the bent mounting brackets. I've tightened up everything. That's how it looks like. Really nice. I have to go and try it out. So this should keep the wind off your chest.